You're looking at an RTX 5070 gaming laptop with 32 gigs of RAM and a 2 terabytes SSD, and it costs significantly less than most of its competitors with the same GPU. That gap in price should make you curious, not suspicious, because after testing this thing, the Acer Nitro 16S AI might be the most practical high-performance gaming laptop on the market right now. Link is in the description. Here are the real numbers. Starting with what the Nitro 16S can handle. AAA and competitive gaming scores a 9.3. The RTX 5070 at up to 115 watts with dynamic boost hits serious frame rates at native WQXGA resolution, and DLSS 4 support means even demanding titles run beautifully smooth. Content creation scores an 8.8 because the Ryzen AI 9 365 is a 10-core chip with strong multi-threaded performance that handles video exports and creative workloads noticeably faster than Intel equivalents at the same price tier. Portability scores a 7.4. It is heavier than a slim gaming laptop, but lighter and more manageable than something like the Alienware Area 51, which makes it genuinely carryable. Daily performance. Gaming frame rates score a 9.3. At 1440p, this GPU barely breaks a sweat on most titles, and the 180Hz display means you actually feel that headroom. The 2 terabytes Gen 4 SSD scores a 9.1 because load times are near instant and game installs eat into your storage far less than a 1 terabyte drive would allow. The honest weakness is the IPS panel brightness and color coverage, scoring 7.6. 482 nits is solid for an IPS, but it cannot match OLED panels at higher price points. So, if display quality is your top priority, this is where the Nitro shows its budget compromise. User experience. The overall value proposition scores a 9.5. RTX 5070 performance with 32 GB DDR5 and 2 TB at this price is difficult to beat anywhere right now. The keyboard with 4-zone RGB scores an 8.4, comfortable for long sessions with satisfying key travel. The weakest point is thermal management under sustained load, scoring 7.3. The fans get audible when the GPU is pushed hard, and while temperature stays safe, you will notice it in a quiet room. Who is this for? Value-focused gamers who want flagship GPU performance score a 9.6. This laptop was built for them. Students and remote workers who also game score a 9.1 because the Copilot Plus AI features and better battery life versus competitors make daily use genuinely comfortable. Pure enthusiasts chasing maximum performance above everything else score a 7.2. The Alienware or ROG Strix will edge it on raw output, but you will pay significantly more for that difference. Overall real use rating, 8.8. The Acer Nitro 16S AI gives you more performance per dollar than almost anything else with an RTX 5070 right now. The display and fan noise are the honest trade-offs. Link is below. Go check current pricing before it sells out.